Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on this sign on now how you can do that on your Vrbo app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on account down here. So then it's going to take you here in this list. And all you have to do now, so you just click here on communications here. So then it's going to take you to next step. And all you have to do now, so you just click here on Vrbo here, then it's going to check here in this list, and you just go down here. So then you click here on manage email preferences here. So then it's going to check here in this list, so in this list here, and you just come here to overs and inspirations here. You click here in this sign, like you see this color for us here. Then you just go down, you click here on update preferences, then it's going to add video on your Vrbo app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.